Hello, dear YouTubers and friends. Welcome to my channel SVIT Creations. This is your Rajendra Prasad Chiplol engineer. In previous video, we discussed how to solve the hidden desktop icons in Windows 10, and in this video, I am discussing another way to solve the problem in computer tricks and tips. Let's begin. Sometimes icons can be hidden or will disappear from desktop like shown in the video, but don't worry, I will tell you the correct solution. Follow these steps. Go to Windows settings or click Windows I on keyboard. Go to personalization. Click on themes. Under related settings, locate and click on desktop icon settings. Select which desktop icons need to appear on the desktop, then click on the apply button, and then the icons will appear on desktop which is hidden. Minimize this and you can check the icons appeared on the desktop which is hidden. Thank you. Your Rajendra Prasad. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.